ang sabi ni Jaren, describe daw kung ano yung girl na gusto. Ano sabi mo?
Outspoken.
Outspoken.
Saka strong personality.
Fiang is so strong. I don't think I've met a girl like Fiang before. She's really, really real. What I like the most about Fiang is that she really doesn't care about what anybody else has to say.